Hello everybody, this is Chef Harpal and with me is Paul Chabra, who's flown all the way from Virginia, Washington DC, and he runs a restaurant Rajpoots, which is very, very famous. He himself is also a chef. Okay, so we met on social network and he would post on my social network. That's where we connected and we are now trying to do a vegan book, but before that, since he flew down to India for his own work and snatched some time to be with me to do some vegan recipes. Paul,
yes,
once again, thank you so much. And vegan is the in thing. Thank you. So vegan is the in thing, which is why we are doing vegan recipes.
Absolutely.
We also get requests on our network, Chef, why don't you do some vegan recipes? Which is why we are doing Tofu Chilli. Yes.
Very nice. People are getting into it right now.
Yes, they are slowly getting there, and that's what we are trying to do.
Sure.
So Tofu Chilli. Basically very simple. Tofu is something which people don't like it, honestly. Let's be frank enough in telling everybody this. But if you get silken tofu, very good. But for silken tofu, you cannot do chili tofu, stir fry.
Right.
Yeah.
But Chef, what I think is with the extra firm tofu, if you steam that, nice and good hot steaming, I've seen people are giving them an extra firm tofu. And I didn't tell them it was paneer or tofu. They could not really recognize it was paneer or tofu.
Fantastic, fantastic. So that's a good thing. So I've got extra firm tofu here because we can stir fry it, and we're going to do a quick tofu chili, Indianized version of Chinese. But that's also getting very popular. I heard in US.
Yeah, especially in snacks.
In snacks, yeah.
Appetizers.
Okay.
Yeah, so tofu chili, cauliflower Manchurian, mushroom. We make mushroom Manchurian in on my buffet.
Fantastic. So quickly, cooking begins here. Now some oil in this. Good amount of ginger and garlic gives that extra kick and tofu. So ginger, 1 tablespoon. Garlic, 1 tablespoon. You like it spicy. Chilies, 4 to 5 numbers. Split into half. You can add that. Onions, which is what I like. 1 onion, cut into cubes. 1 capsicum, cut into cubes. And honestly, this is the best part about eating chili paneer or chili tofu.
Right.
Because to me, I enjoy this more than the tofu or the paneer.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah.
It gives a nice
good crunch,
absolutely
good flavor, especially the capsicum.
Yes.
I personally love it.
I mean, I've sometimes seen people that like it so much they take tofu out and eat that.
Yes.
Right? That's what maybe you do, right?
Yes, that's what I do. Yes.
I know.
So
because then you like that most of it, part of it.
Tofu, we don't like to coat it with flour and add to the dish. I simply don't like it.
Yeah.
So
I would say
the pakora style.
Yeah, exactly.
The Slit style.
And then what happens? I think good thing.
Yes.
नमक शमक डाल देते हैं नमक शमक.
Yeah, a little bit more.
little more.
Yes.
As I said, I always top up the last one.
So there you go. And quickly, of course, you need to be a little careful in here because a lot of these proprietary sauces go into the dish. So I've got some green chili sauce, about 1.5 tablespoons. Red chili sauce, 1.5 tablespoons.
Chili.
Yeah.
Actually, it has to give a feel of it, right?
Absolutely.
People know cooking chili here.
Yes. And soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. And there you go. Beautiful color. Now here, wow, look at this. Super. Isn't it quick and easy?
Absolutely.
And maybe
easy. I would say easy fix.
yes. So I've got some aromat in here, 1 teaspoon. If you have this seasoning powder, you can add. And spring onion, greens, keep it some for garnish. I'm not actually adding a slurry of corn flour because this is nice and dry and this is absolutely beautiful. And people who want to avoid the starch bit of it.
I think, Chef, what I'm thinking is when you do a cauliflower dip, what I think is it should not be an appetizer. If you do it for a main course, some people have Indo Chinese main course, so you can use it with water gravy. To make it gravy, what I will never put in my kitchen, I told them don't put cauliflower in tuna as an appetizer next once.
That's done, we finished.
There we go.
And the dish is ready, absolutely. So this is now ready, quick and easy appetizer. We love the ginger, garlic, in this, and that's the beauty of this dish. And finally, some spring onions, greens on it, just to make it look nice and beautiful. Wow! So your tofu chili appetizer is ready. One more vegan dish just for all of you, and for thank you once again. We're going to enjoy
Glad to
this.
be here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is how things are made to happen. This is what's happening.
Beautiful. So this is just for you. So if you're a vegan and you are on some kind of a healthy diet freak, बस इसी तरह से बढ़िया रेसिपीज मैं आपके लिए लेके आता रहूंगा। बस जाइए मेरा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस बेल आइकन को दबाइए ताकि आपको हर बार इंस्टेंटली अपडेट्स मिले मेरे YouTube चैनल के।